Introducing the 2024 Volvo X30. Sin MTR EXT RNG RWD Ultra in stunning blue. This electric beauty is equipped with all the latest technology and features to make your driving experience comfortable and safe. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, this vehicle has it all. Safety is a top priority with features like ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and more. Plus, the sleek design includes stylish elements like a glass roof and privacy glass. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive in style and confidence with the 2024 Volvo X30.